Canada's first MQ-9B drones enter production.
Before details, please subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel. News details.
The production of Canada's first two MQ-9B drones has commenced at General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated in San Diego, advancing the Remotely Piloted Aircraft System (RPAS) project. Awarded in December 2023, the project will deliver 11 MQ-9B aircraft by 2028, along with 6 ground control stations, weapons, and support infrastructure. The drones, renowned for their intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and precision strike capabilities, will enhance Canada's defence posture and strategic alliances. Testing begins in 2026, with operations based in Nova Scotia, British Columbia, and Ottawa.
Do not forget to subscribe our CISNewsStudio1s channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.